Upon one summer's morning, I carefully read it straight. Down by the walls of Wapping, I met a sailor gay, conversing with a young lad who seemed to be in pain, saying, William, when you go, I fear you'll never return again. My heart is pierced by Cupid, by disdain all glittering gold. There is nothing can console me in my jolly sailor boat. His hair it hangs in ringlets, his eyes as black as coal. My happiness attendant wherever he may go. From Tower Hill to Blackwall, I'll wander, weep and moan, all for my jolly sailor, until he sails home. My heart is pierced by Cupid, by disdain all glittering gold. There is nothing can console me but my jolly sailor bold. My father is a merchant, the truth I now will tell, and in great London city, in opulence doth dwell. His fortune doth exceed 300,000 gold, and he frowns upon his daughter, who loves a sailor bold. A fee for his riches, his merchandise and gold. True love has grafted my heart, give me my sailor bold. My heart is pierced by Cupid, by disdain all glittering gold. There is nothing can console me but my jolly sailor bold. Should he return in poverty from o'er the ocean far, to my tender bosom I'll press my jolly tar. My sailor is as smiling as the pleasant month of May, and often we have wandered through Radcliffe Highway. Many a pretty blooming young girl we did behold, reclining on the bosom of her jolly sailor bold. My heart is pierced by Cupid, by disdain all glittering gold. There is nothing can console me but my jolly sailor bold. My name it is Maria, a merchant's daughter fair, and I have left my parents
maar zeker weet ik
and
het.
3,000